come on. We have to. We're out of energy bars. But it's so cute. But we need the protein for a healthy diet. There has to be a better way. We can just stick to fruit. Fruit's good. Phew. Hello, Bird Blob, my old friend. Lars, hurry! We've got company!
What the heck is that?
I don't know, but it's not here to play nice.
Charge the blasters!